Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So guys, let's continue into Snapchat. After open this, click on your profile icon and then click on the settings icon. Swipe down and tap on I need help. Now click on the given search tab and search Bitmoji. Then swipe down again and tap on how to change my Bitmoji avatar style. Then read the following paragraph carefully and then go back. Click the settings icon again to return. Swipe down and tap on Bitmoji. So guys, if you want to remove your Bitmoji, then click unlink my emoji. Tap on remove. Now go back. You can see your Bitmoji can be completely removed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.